welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here with another video.
That one it just a come. It just a come here.
No, I never remember to introduce you.
Oh, because you not introduce me.
No.
No, I am
Hey,
Angel's boyfriend. She hide me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here with
Another video.
No, with Razablade TV. No, with Jason White from Razablade TV,
So-
Razablade TV vlogs, and Razablade TV family. Today I'm here with
A new video.
a highly requested video. Everybody in my DM asked me for do that video
I
here.
know some here of YouTube and say, how many watch you?
I have proof.
Okay, baby, go ahead.
So yeah, today I will be doing questions that girls are afraid to ask boys.
And I'm gonna ask her questions that are guys are afraid to ask girls.
Oh, you want to ask me some questions as
I
well?
have a few.
Alright then, make him do him thing.
I'm not really afraid to ask questions, but I feel like a lot of guys would want to
Yeah, do this on behalf of the males them then.
on behalf of the girls.
Alright, I do this on behalf of the girls. So
And you too.
I got you. So now come over and watch the video. So, I'm gonna question them. Alright. Wait there. I'm gonna question them there. Oh my question!
Oh, make sure you save that footage. I can't never touch your phone. When last time I ever touch your phone?
Listen, what you doing, my
Let me show you what I did. I don't know if my question never really know, but I know what places where iPhone has. Babe, say last. Make sure you put that in there too. Like this.
Man, that's a different something when me invent.
Black shoes, wallabies.
Stop the pay gift.
Yeah, but I wallaby. People. Hey, make sure you don't cut that part every there. You must delete. No, for real, babe. Look good on somewhere. Hey, baby, sure you know this phone here right it there? Over here, son?
Oh yeah, it.
Make sure you include that in the video.
Guys,
She have to cut it for a moment
we have to
because
go cut and come back because that's the phone that is recorded now.
it's our question upon
I
you.
wrote all the
Babe, make
questions.
sure you show how you there go and then you say must me. Alright, make copy. Make you get them quick. So tell them say you come back now.
Alright guys, so I'm back. And as you know, we're going to do questions that girls are afraid to ask and questions that boys are afraid to ask.
Yeah.
Right?
Right.
So, since it's my channel, I'm going to have my guest going first. The first question that boys are afraid to ask
Alright.
girls.
First thing. When girls use the toilet, I am very curious to know. Water boom up in our pum pum.
No!
Boy, I can ask this.
I mean, it all depends on the
I know.
type of stool.
So you say if I
Okay.
drop every stool, something more.
I mean, it don't necessarily boom in it. It don't boom. It just touch on the butt cheeks sometimes. What I can do is I can just wipe it with a wipe.
But no, it
Yeah,
no matter
wipe.
when you clean it, we just want to know if it happens.
My next,
So you drop right in our coochie.
it no in a drop inside of it. But what will happen? It splash on the butt cheek.
Okay, babe. I believe you. Your question now.
Next question. When you guys do number 2, right?
Man, don't do no number.
Your team will drop inside of the water.
You know, say, you see me in there, enough time you hear me say, babe, I feel like you jump in there.
Answer question.
Hey, a couple times when I say, babe, you know, so me just there, like my last night watching, you know, like I use the phone and I pay attention. Enough time you hear me about it, I say, babe, I feel like you jump in there, though. I don't think you jump in there, but when you splash, sometimes it catches the tail, car.
Okay.
Girls, wanna hear that? So if you did always want to know that, just said it. It gives me a little splash on it. Come, next question.
Alright. Next question. Wait, that's yours? Oh.
Yeah.
Remember, I don't have enough like you, you know. How do you live with yourselves knowing you did something wrong and you still act petty for it? Like you know you did something wrong and you act petty for it. How you live with yourself? Because people like you know where your conscience is easy for you. How you live with yourself?
So when we do something wrong and I mean sometimes I'll justify. Me we justify sometimes.
Most times you justify. No, me
I'm working on myself.
no, me don't want to know like say you justify it to me. Me I say, oh, you live with yourself knowing say you did all and be petty.
I mean, we live. It doesn't matter.
No, it doesn't matter. Me I say, it no bother you none at all. It no bother you.
Sometimes, all depends on the situation. All depends on the situation.
It
I mean, it bother me sometimes, like when I know something me really wrong and me I be petty about it, me just say, no, easy yourself, Andrea, easy yourself. Just take
or
it.
Or do like when you just run coke me and kiss me and say, should I try to tap me for and talk? Same time I see
we
you
as girls, you know,
I like be wrong.
Unique ways to come around.
I like be wrong.
Question,
I like be wrong.
Babe,
you can't have me as guess you not answer me.
When I like to admit to wrong,
need
well,
to pay
some
attention
girls,
to your guess.
some girls. Question, same thing, like
no, baby, I use back.
No.
Anytime we play the game with you, you always
talk about use back, but listen.
Alright, come.
When you guys do number 2, right?
Bro, you love number 2 so much.
When you do number 2, it stand up meanwhile and I do it. It ever stand up meanwhile and I do it.
Enough time. I don't know why it just go.
Alright, when it stand up,
tough
what
like
direction it go?
Yo, see to my own long more while it knock up under the toilet seat.
Okay.
So I see sometimes when you fully thief, but just take you for and make it sit up. So you just up in the ear, like up in the ear.
And the reason I want to ask Jesse because can't even tell enough.
Next question, right? Babe, don't turn back my question.
Me not turn it back.
Why do women spend so much time putting on makeup and end up looking like they don't like it?
I mean, I can't.
I must switch on the question. Like.
Yeah.
Okay, you must do this. Alright. Why? I remember do it better. Why women use much of their time and effort and money for buy stuff to make them look good and enjoy like having it on. Like women who buy ease and know they can't walk in a ease, a 3 left foot them have. Them buy here and every make them a scratch, and they buy suit for make them belly go in and they don't like it. So why would
Alright, I can't answer that. We as girls we love to invest in ourselves. So once we see something and it look good.
So why you not buy like size then? Say in terms of clothes.
I can't relate to that one. I can't relate to female not buying their size because this day and age, I don't see which female are go out there spend money for something that won't fit them. As in the size. So me not
you know if I wear heels.
Yes, I wear heels.
Oh, but you can't say them because you're too normal. You know, go that way if you
I remember some my church heels them are like normal.
Yeah, but you can manage your heels,
But at
extra.
the same time, this day and age, you are this female will buy stuff that cannot fit them. But we as female we love to invest in ourselves. So we see some for one mannequin and we like it. We say, you know what? Give away what size, like give away a 1X, give away a medium, give away a small. So yeah, we buy our stuff them because we have to invest in ourselves. So regardless if we like it or not, because me and you can go out and I see one blouse and I like it and when I go home and try it and I just not feel it. Yeah. Another question. When you guys wake up in the morning, right? And it's up. Your private is up. How do you urinate? How do you guys urinate?
I said that's I be honest.
No, I was saying number 2.
I be honest. It's when I used to live at Langville and wake up early in the morning. Not Langville. I never do that at Langville, let me tell you.
You don't have to tell me where you do it.
No, I'm going to tell you because I want to be honest. When I used to live at Moko, I get up and I know say shoot up so it is very hard to turn it so we go make it catching at it. You know, see, yesterday and I watch my people one time, I'm there wave and I show what I aim. That did funny. When I do, I try to go outside. It's hard to aim, you know, so most time I go outside, I just wait a little bit. Remember sometimes I go to the bathroom, when I brush my teeth, I go and drop a little water in there. And it cool down a little bit. Interesting.
Females, do they know them things here?
Alright.
Thank me later, because I didn't know. Alright, your question, babe. Oh, yeah, your question.
Alright. Why do women get so much satisfaction out of cuddling?
I mean, it's very relaxing.
Mm-hmm.
It makes you forget about all your problems them in the world.
Mm-hmm.
Problems. And, you know, it just feels so good. You feel so loved. And, yeah. Even if you're even if in a relationship toxic, one in a cuddle, it's like mind-blowing.
Alright.
My question.
Oh, go ahead.
Would you share underwear with your friend?
No, nobody at all. What other question? If you ask why man do it, can me not do it?
Alright, you guys share underwear?
No,
with
I'm
your
not
friends?
man enough to do that.
Alright, your question.
No time I'm enough for you to see man pants. Why do women go to bathroom in groups? Like if you're out with that on a date night with a woman and your friend them, and you talk them there, you know see three man and say, oh, we're going to bathroom now. Come in now, bathroom. You want to do this spot? What's you come here? You don't need help to like pee or need help to wipe up or what?
So we take picture and we have the little one top that we wouldn't have around everybody else. Like me say, girl, you see
Now, next one, just
you say, girl, you see shoes, girl, you see that shirt that we have on. And then we say, me could take one selfie and while I would just go look. And we take each other picture. Yeah, we're not gonna for no specific reason, we just gotta go do a bag of stuff.
Oh yeah, crime beer.
Sorry. Alright, my turn. Where do guys go for relationship advice?
Good question, you know.
Yeah, very good question.
Normally we don't really go nowhere. Like if I take the bridge and something really a beat we talk about it, and most men don't like most men don't love beat that type of way. They feel be like, yo dog, you know my girl that stress me for do. Most men don't like do. Like me not ask nobody for advice. Like I try to observe stuff and I feel like if me go through a situation and I can't control or I can't manage me for say, I try to compromise or I try to work out and learn. Understand it? Because you know, it'll be like this. Like how one girl will see a man there, he'll face a little problem, I tell her to left them. I don't want no man give me no ideas to do no foolishness because I know how man stay. Every man would be like, dog, no way, girl. Me not really have a lot of friends who will look at me and say, dog, no this. No matter what they are going to say to me, them not going to really be like, yo, Razor, you know what I'm saying? I feel like if you do that, and it will help. Everybody will be like, I don't even pay your head on mine. I don't want that.
Your type of friends.
I don't know, I know my type of friends. I don't really, I'm not going to say that.
I know guys that will give very good advice
you know,
in
man,
regards to relationship.
You know, man, we will tell you good advice.
No, not me, that will give other males. Yeah, in regards to
If they
relationship.
ask.
But it all depends on the type of friend or them associate themselves with.
Okay.
Because if you have a group of friends and one of them married and you know, settle down and they're not about the wildlife. Like if you go to one of your friends, not even married, but you want to settle down and not about the wildlife, you can go to one of them and
say, so far.
you know, yo,
if only one
just
bag of
work
married
it
virgin
out.
apart,
Not
that's different.
necessarily married, but at the same time they are settled. They're in a committed relationship.
Well, my friend was secular when they secular come over still.
And that's the thing. It's your type of friends.
So your type of friend them give good relationship
Yes,
advice.
very good advice. Like my friend, she's always like, if you're just to left me, no want to see no other man. And I'm like,
take this tip from me. You see, we are talking about male friends, and she said, my friend, she quickly said she don't want to say she have male friend to give her advice.
I don't have any male.
Alright. A full time for ask.
Alright. I would just ask
You.
me. Alright, go ahead.
Why do women get evil during their periods?
Evil?
Yeah.
I can't relate, but I should think it's because them, like when females are, I not say it never happened to me, so I can relate a little. Like when we are menstruate, it's like we get so emotional. We want that
irritated.
extra love, like certain stuff annoy we and you know we just don't want the negative vibes around when we are menstruated. Just leave us alone and let us be our way. If it's not our way, that during that time it's nobody's way.
So bro, woman try if you have their way all the time. So you
Yeah, no,
say,
like
so
me-
you tell me say even that yeah, we know say that time of phone, but you make it sound like we ever have one time.
Well, when me I menstruate, I don't normally feel pain. It might happen like 1-2 times from my born. But at the same time, I don't make no water catch me like when I'm in my comfort zone and I'm warm. Don't make no water splash for me. No touch me with a cold hand. And the sheet, you know, sometimes you sit down on one bed and you can feel the sheet feel sweaty. It's like you don't have to smell it, but you feel the sheet there. My sheet them have to be smooth and nice. When I rub my foot bottom on it, it's smooth. And when me menstruate, I scrub my foot a lot. So if I not get figure do my foot, I will sit down and I will scrub my foot. I want it to be extra smooth. I don't know, that me find comfort in that. Like when I menstruate, my foot I feel rub on the sheet and you not hear nothing, and you not feel nothing a draw, you just feel so smooth. And don't snuggle up on me when I menstruate. Most females not like that. I don't want nobody snuggle up on me. If you're going to give me comfort, give me from a mile away, bring me my food, but just stay away. Stay away.
Alright.
My question.
That's a good answer.
How males feel when they walk with an unattractive girl? But
Wait, you say unattractive?
I said it.
I think you say an attractive girl. An unattractive girl, babe.
How does male feel, right? When they walk with an unattractive girl, but them know so the girl coach good.
I know. When me used to walk with them, you know, I have to deal with skill, you know. And I say, where you going to see me? Out in the public, just so. Just I walk with you. We're not going too close. If you ever feel like you're hand in a hand, no, sir.
So when me
From high school days, we make sure you keep your
if
distance.
you now watch this, beware.
No, sir. Keep your distance.
Come, your question.
Why do women fantasize over stuff when they can't manage? Me explain. Every woman with me, you know, as soon as a little S start around the place, whether it be somebody pass and say something or you over your conversation or them and their friend have a conversation, it's like you always quick for your woman say, yeah man, I want it big. If you know big, you just like when they say they don't want a little something, man. You see enough time, you see the little something man them, I live for years the little something man them, I give them pressure. Meaning say, I be nice, they can't manage. So all them always fantasize over the big thing when no one can manage the big thing.
I can't relate because anything I fantasize over mean that I can't manage it.
So you fantasize over where you can't.
Nobody no want to know so them have a man with them something little, but at the same time, it's not what you have, it's how you use it. That's what I believe. At the same time, I rather them big. Sorry.
Yes.
Right, babe.
Anyways.
Yo, but say Miss Daisy, please, I begin to watch a video. Don't feel like I'm here invalid here just to say they sit there in a video. She work out for her whole movie.
When you guys see, what's the first thing that comes to your mind? Wanna know?
See Kitty.
No, wanna know?
Why first thing come to my mind?
Yeah, when
The
them
first thing that come out to
when
mind.
them pop off.
If we are in a full relationship, as me reach this up, I just want to say, yeah, ease apart from me, man. God know.
Wait a minute.
I said reach this up, I don't feel like I want to see nobody, I just want to go in a little space, go bathe and just chill back. Like something did it. Like, yeah, so you know so that the one will make you know so you're finished after that. It's like something in your brain just say, oh. Like literally, this is me. As if you notice, how long I never stay there with you after. I don't go bathe and come back and go and chat with you after. But let me tell you, there's something about it what I don't like, and I think other people go through it, whether male or female. They see the moment you bust off, it's like you just get back smart. Like your brain just focus.
Yeah, true.
As you reach, it's like you just.
Like I said.
Yo, I will literally depend on the point and say, yeah, Jack, you don't put on clothes, but just know say you're naked. A real thing. So, that's me. Anytime we say,
Males, comment below and tell me if you can relate.
I like sometimes I sit here say to me, 9 weeks, I'm going to starve you, know. It has me done this, me I say, come here to the end to say, I'm going to starve. Alright, I'm going to start again. Real thing. Everything I think, me use, like me I say, yo, for example, this is not with me, but example, like for example, if me a smoker, you know, me, after that, later, you know, me say, you know, I tell myself, I'm not smoke again, you know. It's like, it's a thing where I bring up the truths then. You see me? I don't know. Something about it.
Well, with me, it all depends on the mood that I'm in. If me did really want it, or not even really want it, but if me in the right mood, I'll stay there and I'll cuddle. But like if it's a little thing where, you know, we just do a little thing. As me finish, like when me feel better about myself, like me get that feeling that when me want, we just get up and go and start clean the house or prepare something.
See?
It's like me just get back, you know, normal. I'm like, why did I even do that?
You know,
I
me
even
that
really
question is
want
sweet.
it.
No, me not no more question. I me just ask that.
I start ask the rest of my question, which is only 2 or 3.
Mm-hmm.
What do males notice about a girl first?
Your booty or your breast. Your booty or your breast. Bro, me need
I
to
guess
see
I
your face.
just my lord.
Your booty or your breast.
Males, me need enough to comment on a video here. Me need enough to comment and talk up the things.
I even love ask them comments or thing. Cause you have some man they just lie. They will tell any life makes some man feel good. Talk it true, bro. It's like
I mean, from me I grew up until
the
now.
first thing a man make a man call to you, I mean, I wanna have 3 things, you know. Your looks.
Wait, it all depends on the type of guys that females date.
No, we're not about it, we're talking about call too. You know, say attractive.
Yeah, I know, but at the same time,
Wait, attractive, you mean attractive or mean look good or attractive? Like first attractive. What you mean?
I'm gonna see question.
Explain yourself.
What makes a girl attractive to a guy?
It make any girl look attractive to me without like look at your physical. If you're smart. If you're smart, it's like you turn me on a ways you don't even understand. For you're smart, it's like me I said, damn, that girl I just damn. You see you for fool. But in terms of looks, it have to be your booty anyway. So that first I will grab me, then me go stay. Alright then that girl like booty. Alright, check. Then me look on your face and say, yes.
But
careful.
it all depends on the type of guys that you date. Because with me, my type of guys are like,
Right,
hey, how are you? Yeah, me and the boring type, but at the same time, have to smell good and you have to look nice, you have to smell nice. And then you're like, hey, how are you? You're beautiful. And I'm like, oh, thank you. And then we walk off like, I'm not interested. And then you're like, what you doing tomorrow? Or, hey, what you doing next week? And I'm like, I don't know, but you know what? I'm gonna take your number and I'll call you. No problem, it's okay. Call me whenever. And then when you see them call you, you make your phone ring out 3 times. And then when the phone ring out, you just answer like, hey, how are you? I was busy. Yes. I was busy.
Yeah,
but you watch the phone and make it ring. They call me crazy. But yeah, or me like when they tell me, say, hey babe, I didn't get any time to text you because, you know, I'm busy at work or I'm busy doing some yard work or I'm on my farm.
Okay.
But those are the found a female are really called for me. But at the same time, if him have him farm and him have him little chicken and him 2 pig and him
You don't say you don't want me do, you want a different type of man. I say you don't want me, because everything you say, I know some things where it's like, you just wish.
Babe, I love you.
You don't love me, man. You want a farm, I go get a farm.
Alright, me a OD, but yeah, I like those stuff. I mean, you don't have to try your best to talk proper English, you know, because I'm not judgmental about me just like my guys, them like that. Me like when you can, you know, me not judgmental, me not look on the physical appearance. I rather them dark though, but if you're thick, if you're skinny, if you're short, if you're tall, I'll still date you. But make sure so when you have
Yo, cut your conversation. I resume you say no to them.
Make sure when you have
I resume you say no. No, if you're skinny, if you yeah, what you do? No, me catch you, you know. What you do? Yo, cut, talk about that now.
Alright.
What you do? You just see, you're locked down, you know, you're tired, you know.
Last question.
What you do, man? You can't be another man's wife. Come on, man. Let's do it, man.
Alright, what is one reason that makes a guy go ghost on a girl?
One reason? You can give a million. So
Give me the one that stands out the most.
Your attitude.
Attitude?
Yeah, we can put that in a nutshell, your attitude. Your attitude will make a man just stop calling, stop texting and even know what. Attitude is one of the biggest issue. And it's not, you know what I mean? It's attitude like how you flare up. There's certain stuff. Like even things like you going to work. When you have an ex where anytime she talk about going to work, it's like she make it sound like she don't want to do certain stuff where her supervisors them want she do. I never like that. It's like when she talk about stuff, it's like, bro, she could have done better than being at work. When you know you need a job. So your attitude, like, how you deal with things. You get about your bed and me I text you at the night and your bed still look like your day night from morning. Your attitude.
I want to ask one last question. Pumba, he sleep me.
Alright,
Oh my god.
you're so tragic. The attitude, bro.
Oh, this is the question. Girls may ask the 1 year for uno. If you live with a partner and your relationship are dead out and it's just not fun no more and stuff like that, this might can help you somewhat. Not all aspect of the relationship, but this will help. What uno want to see when a girlfriend go to bed in at night time? One really want to see we go to bed in at night time?
No, you know, really and truly, that's a good. It's not a bad question, not a good question. It's just a, you know, it kind of make me think now. I don't really say make you see your guy in bed now, but I don't want to see your guy in bed cloak up in another robe. Make sure we're on panty. That's all. That's all for down there, sir. If up at top, I don't know where you want to wear. Me love how you got your bed at night time, but we're on panty. I love you mesh them. Let me sit through your panty and I say, say friend.
Well, with me, it all depends on the mood that I'm in. I always invest in a certain stuff.
No, when by mood. So if you see a guy bed in a full clothes, that means you're in a good mood.
I never got my bed in a full clothes.
No, but
that's
that's
the
an
thing.
axe now.
Well, you know, yeah, girl, if you're menstruate, you'll wear a
that's
short,
different.
or you'll wear 2 underwear, a smaller one at the bottom and a bigger one at the top. And a t-shirt, a nice little t-shirt. For me, I can't do that. I have to put on 1 shorts. But the shorts have to be like, you know, something that is not too big, something that is not, I mean, I don't want to consider as ugly, but enough to be too big. But if it at least be something want to comfy enough to sleep, because they have to understand that the situation there. But if it's a night where we just want to chill and watch a movie and fall asleep, I wear a nice little underwear and a t-shirt. If it's a night when I say, alright, tonight I'm a pajama night, I just tell them I have my pajama pants them. I'll wear my pajama pants.
Cute.
Yeah, I like them. I wear my pajama pants and I wear one little, you know, blouse will come with it. If you're not a girl like me, we have enough pajama pants and not have no top to match it, you find one nice little white top and you put it on. You have some nights when I really not care. I have on a bingo and a t-shirt. I make Jesse tell them, me love my bingo them. Me sectionize my underwear them. I have my period underwear. I have my road underwear. I have my
yard one them.
I have my yard underwear.
We are talking about that today.
Yeah. So if you stay like me, let me tell you, you have to live your life and feel comfy. I have the one them way extra sexy. When I say, alright, today is the day. I have the one that will just look okay. It's like if I'm on a rush, it can wear in a yard, it can wear go out, and it can wear go your bed. So yeah guys, that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Please comment more than 1 time. Tell me what you think about the video.
What did you learn?
And what did you learn as well. Tell me what you wanna do. Males, comment. Tell me honesty, because some honesty are real bad. If you want to see more video like this, comment below and tell me, because I got you. I'll do them. Because me love talk. Bye guys.